Alright guys, let's try to win this study. White wins. It's actually pretty easy, and you have to find an idea, which you always have to do, obviously, in chess. The idea is to mate black, is to play rook to a1, rook to g1, and rook to g3. So the problem is that black has this counterplay. So let's try this straight away. Rook a1. King cannot move, these pawns cannot move, so you have to move your rook. So you want to play something like this move. And if white tries to attack black, it's actually black is winning after rook to b2 attacking this pawn. And we already, black freeze themselves, and then they will capture this and then pawn on g4 and win the game. So you don't want to do that. If you take here, trying to mate black, so black has actually one move which doesn't lose the game immediately, and they just keep standing here. And if we try to stick to our old plan, again, it's a draw, or even black wins. Yeah, again, white has to take care of this f2 pawn. So let's move back. So in this position, white has to move, win a tempo. So in order to make black move the rook longer, yeah, so the move is rook to a8. Now they take away this h8 square from black, and so the only move is rook to h6, obviously, so that you not get mated from h8. And now we return to this rook a1 idea. And the problem is that now black cannot just play rook b2 and pretend that they attack the f2. So they play this here, and after rook to g3, black resigns, because they will either lose to this mate, or if they capture the rook, then it's f take g3 checkmate. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you next time.